When it comes to making a lasting first impression, your home's curb appeal is everything. Whether you're planning to sell your home, impress visitors, or simply take pride in your property, upgrading to custom windows can make a world of difference. In Dallas, where the architectural styles range from modern ranch houses to classic colonials, custom windows can complement your home's unique design while adding a touch of sophistication and functionality. In this article, we'll explore how custom windows can transform your Dallas home's curb appeal and why they're an investment worth making. The power of custom windows. Custom windows are not just about enhancing your view of the outdoors. They're a design element that defines your home's character. Unlike standard, off-the-shelf options, custom windows are tailored to fit your home's specific aesthetic and functional needs. This attention to detail can significantly elevate your home's exterior appeal. Aesthetic transformation. Custom windows are a design tool that can completely change the look and feel of your home's exterior. Here's how they achieve this. Unique designs. With custom windows, you're not limited to standard shapes and sizes. Arched windows, bay windows, or even geometric designs can add architectural interest and set your home apart. Tailored materials. Choose from wood, aluminum, fiberglass, or vinyl finishes that match your home's design. For Dallas's warm climate, energy-efficient and weather-resistant materials are popular choices. Color matching. Custom windows can be painted or stained to complement your home's exterior color palette, ensuring a cohesive and polished appearance. Improved energy efficiency. Dallas summers can be scorching, and winters, though mild, still demand effective insulation. Custom windows are designed to fit perfectly into your home's existing spaces, reducing gaps that allow air to escape or enter. Energy-efficient glass and coatings, such as low-E, can help maintain indoor comfort while lowering your energy bills. Energy-efficient windows not only enhance curb appeal but also reflect a homeowner's commitment to sustainability, a feature increasingly valued by potential buyers. Enhanced natural light. Custom windows allow you to optimize the amount of natural light entering your home. Features like large picture windows or strategically placed skylights brighten your interior spaces, which is visible from the outside. A bright, inviting home radiates warmth and charm, contributing to an improved exterior appearance. Boosted property value. Investing in custom windows isn't just about aesthetics, it's also a financial decision. According to industry reports, window upgrades can yield a high return on investment, ROI, often recouping up to 70% of the costs at resale. In the competitive Dallas real estate market, custom windows can be a deciding factor for buyers who value modern, well-maintained homes with excellent curb appeal. Personalized touch. Your home is a reflection of your personal style, and custom windows give you the freedom to showcase that individuality. Whether you prefer sleek, modern window frames or intricate, traditional designs, custom windows allow you to bring your vision to life. They can also incorporate special features like stained glass or decorative grills, which add a layer of sophistication to your home. Why custom windows are perfect for Dallas homes. Dallas is a city known for its diverse architecture, ranging from sleek contemporary designs to charming mid-century homes. Custom windows can enhance any architectural style. For modern homes, large, floor-to-ceiling windows or minimalist designs enhance sleek, modern exteriors. For traditional homes, custom wood-framed windows with decorative mullions complement the timeless charm of colonial or craftsman-style houses. For unique properties, custom windows allow for creative solutions, such as adding round or geometric windows to accentuate unique architectural features. Additionally, custom windows are designed to withstand Dallas's sometimes unpredictable weather, offering durability and resilience. Choosing the right custom windows to maximize your home's curb appeal, it's crucial to work with professionals who understand your vision and the local climate. Dallas-based window specialists can recommend styles and materials that align with your home's architecture and meet energy efficiency standards. Conclusion: custom windows are more than just a practical upgrade. They're a transformative element that can redefine your home's exterior. By choosing custom windows for your Dallas home, you can create a property that stands out in your neighborhood, boosts its market value, and reflects your unique style. Whether you're drawn to sleek modern designs or classic, timeless looks, custom windows are the perfect way to enhance your home's curb appeal while enjoying the benefits of energy efficiency and increased natural light. Invest in your home's future and make a bold statement. Choose custom windows to elevate your Dallas property today.